Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online payments with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate online payments with Stripe, begin by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Select API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Keep these keys secure, as they will be needed for integration. Next, decide on the programming language or platform you will use. If you're using a backend language like Node.js, install the Stripe library using npm. For Python, use pip to install the Stripe package. Follow the official documentation for your chosen language to integrate Stripe. Create a payment form on your website where customers can enter their payment details. Make sure to include fields for card number, expiration date, and CVC. Use Stripe elements to build a secure and user-friendly payment form. In your server-side code, set up an endpoint to handle payment processing. This endpoint will use the secret key to create a payment intent. When a customer submits the payment form, send a request to your endpoint. On the back end, validate the payment details and create a payment intent with Stripe. Upon successful creation, return the payment intent confirmation to the front end. On the client side, handle the confirmation and provide feedback to the customer. To automate the process further, set up webhooks in your Stripe dashboard. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time updates on payment events. Create a new webhook endpoint in your server to listen for these events. In your Stripe account, register this webhook URL to receive notifications. Once set up, you can automate actions based on payment status updates. For instance, you can send email confirmations or update order statuses automatically. Test your integration in Stripe's test mode to ensure everything works correctly. Use test card numbers provided by Stripe to simulate transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.